Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this glowing logo that you see on the screen right now. The tutorial is more about the glowing than the logo. I made plenty of them, but I figured I'll make the logo and complete it with the glowing effect. Start out in the edit page, go to media pool, right click, new fusion comp. You can name it if you'd like, but you don't have to. And go ahead and leave it on 5 seconds. Put it on your timeline and go to fusion. For those of you that don't know me, I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed, can't use my hands and arms. I just put it out there every time now. For the ones that don't know, they sometimes question why I have it up there. Click away right about here. Shift space and S ellipse. We will be making a macro at the end of this, so you can change the colors and stuff like that. Shift space and S text. Shift space and extrude. Get a 3D merge. Camera. Light. And a render. Put that in viewer 2. Select the ellipse. Go to the width and the height. Right click on the width. Expression. And grab this little plus sign and drag the quick whip over the height and let go. Now it'll stay symmetrical if you change the size. Under the ellipse, deselect the solid. Let's go to the camera. Go to transform. Select use target. Rotate the Z-axis where you'll see your logo come in the right viewer. I'm going to put it in viewer 1 first, the extrude. Somewhere around 3.0. Add your text in. Size it accordingly. I'm going to make the center a little larger. Put the text node in viewer 1. Go to the text box, right click. Character level styling. I go up to modifiers. I'm going to highlight the center word, digital. And now if you adjust the size, it'll only affect that one word. Something like that. Let's go to dual viewers. Select the render node. Change the render type from software to hardware. Enable lighting and shadows. Now, if you look in viewer 2, you'll see we don't have any light. Select spotlight. Go to transform. Better put the merge in viewer 1 so we can see what we're doing. And back to the spotlight. Select use target. And rotate the Z-axis, bring the light toward you. Open the cone angle all the way up. Go to the extrude. On the materials. Select this override diffuse color. And pick a color. If we go down to specular, turn the exponent all the way up. And turn the intensity to 0.25. Select the render. Shift space and soft glow. Select the soft glow node. Add a merge. Click away down here. Right click. Shift space. And directional blur. Connect them like that. We have to swap these inputs. Right click on a merge. You want the green foreground going in. The background down here. Hit the glow size to 2.0. And the gain to 0.5. We may have to readjust them later. Go to the directional blur. Take the length all the way up to 0.8. And change type from linear to zoom. These are mostly personal preferences. It's just guides that I'm going by. So if you want to set yours to your liking, go ahead. Go back to the extrude. Under transform. And use the Z-axis to size it to your liking. Just select these three little dots here. Check your underlay. It'll be black. Let's animate this. Start out with the directional blur. Go to frame 0. Set the center X to 0.0. Set a keyframe. Take your playhead all the way to the end. And I should have mentioned that I'm on a 30 FPS. And then set the center X to 1.0. Scrub your playhead. You should have some animation now. Go to the soft glow. Put the playhead at frame 0. Turn the blend all the way down. Set a keyframe. Advance 1 second. 30 frames for me. Turn the blend all the way up. I'm going to advance to frame 120. Set a keyframe. Take the playhead to the end. Bring the blend all the way back down. You can play with these sliders. They add more glow, take more away, whatever you want to do. Okay, I think we're ready to make the macro. I'm going to make it just a little bit smaller. You can also use the camera node to do it. Okay, we're going to make the macro now. Select these in the order that I do. Click away. Make sure nothing's selected. Hold down the control button. Select these in the order that I do. Hit A. Hold the control button down. Deselect the media out. Right click on any one of the other nodes. Go to macro. Create macro. Give it a name. And follow along. Extrude. Soft glow. You don't know what to select. If you click on that node you're working on in the macro, it'll show everything over the inspector. Do not select center. Just want to make sure we do not have the blend selected in the soft glow. And it's not, so we're good. Go to File, Save as Group. It takes you to Macros. We'll go to Fusion instead. Templates. Edit. Titles. Here's where you can make a folder. And if you do name it different than what your macro is, most of the time it won't recognize the folder if you name them the same. Save and close out your macro. That's the one we made. You click on it, go to the inspector, change your color. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.